Hello everyone, I'm Amolya and I'm making this video for you guys to understand one thing. Fight Corona, not yourself. First of all, I know that it has been more than a year now that we are fighting this disease. But now when the situation is at its worst, we need to take care of a few things. We need to take care of ourselves first because it is the most important thing to do right now. I know there is depression all around. I know there are a lot of cases, there are a lot of deaths, and we all are stressed about it. But if we take some measures to take care of our mental health, if we take some measures to decrease the level of tension in our minds, it will help us and our loved ones as well. So here are a few points that you should keep in mind during this period. So the point number 1 is watching the rising numbers won't decrease them. This point is really very valid nowadays because everybody at their homes are continuously watching how many cases are there, how many deaths are there, and stressing up their minds. And this is also decreasing your immunity levels. So keep an eye on the news, that is very important, the guidelines that the government is giving, etc. And don't pay much attention to this kind of news which displays how much tension has been increased. So the point number 2 is very easy. Isolate the body, not your mind. I know we all have been told to maintain social distancing, staying at our homes, and we are being told to stay isolated as well. But the thing that we are forgetting is that our mind is free. We are free at our homes, right? So we can talk to people that we haven't been talking to since a very long time. We can get in touch with friends. We can get in touch with relatives. We can make video calls. We can make calls. We can chat with them and talk about good stuff, talk about positive stuff, and we will feel better. The point number 3 is the negative aspect being correct and the negative thinking being incorrect. So the point that people don't really understand is that negative aspect and negative thinking are two different things, because people say that we have to look at the negative side as well so that we can have an idea how to cope with the situations that are going to be in future. That thing is totally correct, but having a negative thinking that everything is going to be bad, everything is going to be negative is not correct. Understand the difference. We all have watched the movie Three Idiots, right? In that movie there's a very beautiful concept, that is, we have to fool our minds, we have to fool our hearts. Many people are tensed because of the situation around, but what they can do, what we can do is that we can calm ourselves down. We can fool our hearts and say that it's all right around, it is getting better day by day. We can make daily affirmations to make our mind and heart calm down, and this will give you physical strength. This will give you a boost up immunity to fight the things in the physical world in a better way. Now the 5th and the easiest thing that you should do is watching comedy. Watch comedy movies, comedy video clips, or comedy stand-ups, or whatever thing you like that will freshen up your mood. You will be happy, you will be laughing, and this will boost up your immunity as well. When we are happy from the inside, when we are laughing, it helps our immunity to build up more so that it can fight any disease around, and you will be stronger than before. Now, at last, I just want to say one thing. We should all find a reason to be happy about, a reason to live for. This will be the true motivation for us to live, true motivation for us to be healthy, keeping ourselves well and keeping the loved ones around us well. It will be the reason to keep your mental health at a good place so that you can be happier and you can be better in the future.